Good morning, Josh Ezell, Break the Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today is day 3 of our Numbers Are the Key to Success week. And this is a biggie, the appointment. Ultimately, leads come to conversions, which lead to appointments. Now, the actual appointment itself is crucial. If you're listing or if you're buying, both of them require your plan to be in place. You want to make it so the moment your client comes to or meets you at a property, or if you walk through their door to list their home, they are now entering your world, your plan, your process, your everything. From the moment you step through, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, beautiful home you have here. Why don't you take me through it? Or whatever your process might be, okay? Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, check out this great home. Hey, I got here early. Remember how you were talking about that great room? Check it out, this home has it. You know, whatever it might be to bring them into your world to ensure that, number one, they have a great time, a great successful process that accomplishes their goals. And in the end, you're gonna have raving fans that want to give you the referral. That's the goal, right, guys? So when we're talking appointments, we're talking plans, we're talking processes, we're talking research, foresight, optimism. Anticipate the closing. If you're gonna show one home, check several in the area, just in case this one doesn't work out. Hey, don't worry. I thought this one may or may not work out, but I wanted to be prepared just in case. So I got 2 others here in this area. You wanna go check them out? If you're at the open house, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, it sounds like this home isn't the right one for you. Hey, I get done at 4 o'clock. Why don't we go check out some more afterward? Mr. and Mrs. Smith, you've got a beautiful home. Show me around. Blah, 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 blah. Whatever it is, know your comps, right? If you're gonna go on that listing appointment, make sure you can competently sit down at that table with them and talk about what they should and shouldn't do based on their timelines, their pricing, their condition, all that good fun, right? The appointment is your time to shine. Are you scared walking in, or are you confident that you're gonna own this appointment? That's the challenge today, guys. Own your appointments. In other words, own your process. Have an awesome day.